Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you see, it's for Pro Evolution Soccer on the Xbox One, or PES 2019 on the Xbox One. Yeah, picked this up today for the really cheap price of $39.99 in the UK, whereas one of the gaming stores are selling it for $54.99 for the exact same copy as this, which I can't really understand, but there we go. Inflation and price influxes and stuff. Anyway, as you can see, we got Coutinho on the front. So yeah, and obviously it's made by Konami, and I'm really sorry about the brightness of my light currently casting down on this, so that's cool. And we've got some My Club content. Includes voucher code for PES 2019 My Club exclusive content. Coutinho, you beautiful Brazilian bastard. Right, there's the side, Pro Evolution Soccer. And there's the back, the power of football. And yes, I know everybody's going to be like, oh my god, you got PES, oh no, why you buy that, why you play that? I'm actually getting both. I'm getting PES and FIFA this year, so yeah, you know, you can play both, and you can enjoy both. And then it says all that. You also get more season store size. I think it's like 40 gig. Or is it? 40 gig, yeah. Yeah, so oh god, that's a bit blurry. There we go. You actually get David Beckham with this, the 2018 version of David Beckham. Code, which is already been redeemed, which is obviously for the My Club stuff. So you get David Beckham 2018 10-match loan, Philippe Coutinho 10-match loan, premium agent, 3 players for 10 weeks, 3 player contracts for 10 weeks. So yeah, I'm really liking the disc art on this, to be honest as well. It's really cool. But yeah, that is my rather quick unboxing for PES 2019 on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I'll talk to you later. Cheers, buddy, bye.